Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We know that sin2x, that is about number 2 sin x cosine x. Next, I need to add about number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1. So we have the formula in here. So number 1, that is about this one. And now we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we put this one divide by this one. So the integration of sin x, that is about negative cosine x. This one, that is about sin x. Next, I need to multiply by the square root of number 2 over number 2 on numerator and the denominator. This one, that is about cosine of b over number 4. This one, that is about sine of b over number 4. So we have the formula in here. And that is about sine of a plus b. So this one, that is about sine of s plus b over number 4. And this one, that is about cosecant of s plus b over number 4. The integration of this one, that is about negative ln of the absolute value of this one plus cotangent of s plus b over number 4. And I will put about c. So we go back in here. This one go in here. Negative and negative, we have positive. This is the end. Thank you for watching.